Good morning to all. Today we are going to see chapter 4, See the Brighter Side. So in that value we are going to see about think positive. And in that we are going to discuss about various ways to build self-esteem. Have trust in yourself, love yourself, accept the other as he is or she is, forget the failure, be a man of principles. So in that, very often we speak about personality development. What do you mean by personality? Usually personality means we think about the external factors like their color, their height, their weight, their way of dressing up, all these things. But also not only external, also internal. Our characters, our behavior, our tone and our activities, all these things are included in a personality. So if we want to develop our personality, we have to shape our characters, our behavior, our tones, and how do we communicate with others. All these things are necessary. So we develop a self-image based on various things that are related to life. A self-image is developed by a physical appearance, social customs and laws, religious beliefs, family background, personal groups or circles, living environment, educational status, etc. So our personality development not only depends upon our external and internal things, also our family background. When a father or mother put always the child down or finding fault, then the child will have inferiority complex. And the social, like teachers or anybody, leaders, if they pointing out some student, then they also will have the inferiority complex. Then they will not move with other. They will not come friend. They don't think that they have self-image. Also peer groups, their friends, always they have to encourage others. So only in that lesson they have told, think positive. Always we have to think positive. If we think positive, we will talk positive. And the fruit or deed will come as positive things. So we also have to think positive about ourselves, also about others. Generally, based on the way of thinking, people are divided into two groups, namely positive thinkers and negative thinkers. People with negative thoughts lack self-confidence. They experience a psychological fear in life. They are not sure about their success. They are the most doubtful people in the world. They are generally pessimist. They are skeptical. They always feel that they are unwanted people, the ignored ones. They even consider themselves as a burden on the society. Such people are not successful in their life. Yes, of course. Those who are thinking about negative about themselves as well as others, they cannot get success in the world, in their life, in the society, etc. So whatever may happen, whatever the situation, whatever the people around us they tell about us, we have to think positive that I can do everything. I can think positive. I can do. I can learn. I can write. I can do something good for others. I can do something good for myself. All these things they have to think it in a positive way. On the other hand, the people who think positively are successful in their life. They accept the things as they are. At the same time, they accept others also. They feel that his life is happy and secured. They are confident of their own activities. Whatever they do, they will have confidence, those who think positive. If they think, for example, a child, she or he may be able to sing well. She has the talent of singing. But when she has the negative thinking, then when she stands on the stage, she will have that. When I sing, I will not sing well. I will not get praise. So others may laugh like this. All this negative things they may have. Henceforth, they will, out of this fear, they will not perform well. The same way, positive thinkers, if they are not having the talent also, just they want to try. So when they are trying with confidence, they may win. This is the difference between positive and negative thinkers. According to the famous psychologist Eric Berne, based on their feelings and attitudes, people are divided into 4 groups. It is known as the 4 OK groups. 4 OK groups. The first one is, I am not working, you are okay. That means always they think, I can't do. If I tell, it will be wrong. Whatever I do, it goes wrong. But you are okay. Always they will encourage others and they will think about very negatively. So, they will not get success in their life and they cannot be happy also. Always they will encourage others. You do, you do. Always they will motivate others, but they will not come friend. So, this is not good. Second one, I am not working, you are not working. This is very, very dangerous category. I also can't do and you also can't do. Like 2 friends are there in the class. So, anyone is asking, any competition like drawing competition is there. So, anyone is willing to do. Then one friend is telling to another one, you can draw well, just join it. No, I can't draw. And okay, shall I? No, you also. If I participate also, I will not win. You participate also, you also can't win. So, if any talented person they find also, too much they are doing, they will think about them also negatively. They can't think positive. So, it is very, very dangerous. We also think positive about ourselves as well as others. That is good. Third one is, I am working, you are not working. This is also a little danger only, because always think, whatever I do, it's correct. Whatever they do, it's wrong. Though they are doing correct, but they can't accept. Whatever though they are doing wrong, they will tell that whatever I am doing is right. So this kind of people, with this kind of people, nobody will mingle. No one will have tendency to have friendship. So this is also wrong. Fourth one, I am working, you are working. So this category is very, very good. I also can do, you are also can do. I am also good, you are also good. So they will accept oneself as well as they will accept others also as they are. So this is the good relationship. It will build good relationship. Think about yourself. Can you find out the group to which you belong? So dear children, just now you have listened all these 4 categories. You are in which category? Just you take a time. Now you are in lockdown. So just take a time and sit and you think about yourself. You are in which category? And after knowing that, just come out from that. If it is in first 3 categories, then just you come out from that. And if it is last one, then you appreciate and you proceed. Will you find a gentle fact that everybody wants to be a winner, but he finds himself unable to be in 4th group? You must try to know yourself and your faults. This awareness will help you to correct yourself. This self-knowledge will help you to develop a good personality or self-esteem in your life. If you look at the lives of various people who belong to this winner group, you will be able to find various ways to build up a good self-esteem within yourself. So you have to read a lots of book about the good personalities, how they were, how they struggled, and how they become winners, how they become a successful persons, all these things. Now we are going to see about various ways to build self-esteem. In that first one we are going to see about have trust in yourselves. You are a unique person in the world. Your feelings, emotions, aspirations and wishes are quite different from others. So you cannot compare yourself with anybody else in the world. Hence, it is important to look into your own self. Try to win the life with your own capacities and potentialities. Believe that the competitor is within you only. This self-trust will make you reach to the heights of glory. So dear children, always you have to trust in yourself. You should not compare with others. For example, someone may be very good in writing and you may have different talent. She is writing, he is writing. Why you are comparing with yourself to others? It is not at all good. Each one is unique. Each one have different talent, different feelings, different emotions. So always you have to compare yourself with you only. How you were in the past and how you are now. How you want to become in future. So how, for example, how your handwriting was, now how it is, how you want to improve. So I can improve. Compare with previous year, this year my handwriting is good. So next year I will make it more beautiful. So like this you have to, I can make. So the trust should be needed. Second one, love yourself. You should not curse or accuse yourself as a useless being. Try to discover the talent that are inherent in you. When God has created each one of us, God has put all the talents, all the good values, character, everything He has given. It is the inheritance. It is within us that we have to find out. So everything will be there. The one thing will be dominating. Someone may be very good in everything, but in dancing they may be excellent. So each one will have some unique characters. So what is that? That you have to find. You possess a number of dormant capacities. Hence, it is a duty of each and every person to develop his own talents up to the maximum. If you are aware about this, you will begin to love yourself. Believe that you are the only one, that person here to change you. Once you begin to love yourself, then you will find happiness in your life. Somebody, they will stand in the mirror. Why my nose is like this? Why my color is like this? Why my eyes is like this? Like this, they used to think about negatively. Once if you start to love yourself, then you will be happy as well as you will get success in your life. Third one is accept the other as he is or she is. Man is a social being who lives in a society. Each and every human being is unique in himself. So, it is our duty to accept other people as they are. You should not go in search of their weaknesses and failures only. When you try to respect and accept the other with all his positive and negative qualities, the other also will begin to accept you. This mutual acceptance will become the foundation of a prosperous and joyous society. So, we are all having a relation with all human. So always sometimes we think we are perfect, we are good, we are correct. No, it is not that. More than we, so many are there. So we should not find fault with others. Finding faults with others is a very bad character. Always we have to appreciate them, always we have to motivate them. Whatever small things they do, just to go and appreciate them. Then automatically they have love towards you, they will have affection towards you, then you will have very good relationship. My dear children, though in the world we have money, house, whatever may be, but if we don't have very good relationship, then we will not have peace of mind and happy life. Fourth one is forget the failure. So whatever happened in the past, maybe failure in our life, failure in the exam, failure in the relationship, etc., etc. Why to think about? By thinking and crying, by feeling, anything is going to happen? No, nothing is going to happen. So whatever it happened from the failure, learn the things how to get win, how to get success. So if you think like this positively, then you will get success. If you are thinking about the failure and sitting in the corner and crying, what changes you will get? Nothing. You are going to get failure in your life again and again. So, dear children, forget about your failure and learn from that. The last one is be a man of principles. Always keep your promises. Whatever you promise, it is not a play. Just you will promise and you will break. So, whatever you promise, you have to keep up the foundation to your life with a highly ethical and moral principle. Like, I never tell lie. If you have taken a principle, if you are having that principle, then even the situation comes to die also, you should not tell lie, whatever it may be. Though you are dying, when you are telling the truth, you can die. But by telling lie, you can't live happy life. Today, people trust not in words, but in deeds of men. Whatever we tell, nobody will believe. If you do, if I do, then only others will believe. The measure of man with his moral standards. So, how they will measure the person? With a moral standard, not about our makeup, not about our dress, not about the money we have. So, try to live on principles and do some such good things that the world praise you. So, always the world should remember you, and the world should think about you, the world should praise you. Such a life you have to live. So dear children, the chapter is over. So from this chapter you have to learn that positive thinking, and that 4 groups you have to remember you are in which category, and try to practice all these 5 things to build your self-esteem. Thank you.